In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively move pages between documents within Canva. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just getting started, shifting content between your projects can be a straightforward process once you know the ropes. Let's walk through how you can do this seamlessly. To begin, make sure you have both of your Canva documents open. This setup is crucial as it allows you to work directly between the projects without unnecessary back and forth. Once you have them open, take a moment to locate the page or pages you want to move. Next, you'll want to change your view to Grid View. This is easily done by clicking on the icon with 4 small boxes, typically found at the bottom right of your screen. This view provides a clear and organized layout of all your pages, making it easier to select individual or multiple pages that you wish to copy. Having this bird's eye view will help you manage your content more effectively, especially if you're dealing with multiple pages. Now that you're in grid view, the next step is selecting the page or pages you want to transfer. Click on the desired page to highlight it. If you need to move several pages at once, hold down the Shift key while clicking on each additional page you want to include. This method is particularly useful if you're looking to maintain the sequence of pages, such as in a presentation or multi-page document. Once you've selected all the necessary pages, it's time to copy them. Simply press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. This action copies the pages, placing them onto your clipboard, ready for them to be relocated. Now switch to the other document where you want these pages to appear. With this document open and ready, paste the pages by hitting Ctrl+V on your keyboard. Your selected pages should now appear seamlessly within your new document. This operation doesn't just duplicate the pages visually, but also ensures that all design elements, text, and images are preserved precisely as they were in the original document. And there you have it. Your task is complete. Moving pages between documents in Canva can boost your efficiency and organization, especially as you manage multiple design projects. It allows for flexibility and ensures that your creative process remains as smooth as possible. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Have fun creating and organizing your Canva projects more efficiently. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any step, make sure to leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one. Thank you for watching and happy designing.